Moving back in the wheelchair with sliding material. 3 folding techniques. Technique 1. Fold inside. Start by folding the sliding material in the middle. Fold down and grab the nearest layer. Tilt it up again, and then you have a fold inside the sliding material. This fold is used to easily get the sliding material under the user. Help the user lean forward. The sliding cloth is now placed between the user and the cushion on the wheelchair. Continue until you meet resistance. Now grasp the fold inside the sliding material on both sides. It's now easy to slide the user back in the wheelchair. Make sure to control any forward sliding. And when the user is in place, the front part of the sliding material is pushed back. And when the sliding material is to be removed, then pull diagonally in the bottom layer until the sliding material is pulled free. Technique 2. Fold down. Here the double layered sliding material is folded once downwards. The procedure is almost as shown before, but the first by the fold is tilted downwards instead. Besides that, the techniques are similar. Technique 3. Spot slide. Here the sliding material is used as a glove and inserted where low friction is desired. This technique is suitable for minor adjustments of the seated position. For more information, visit our website or call us. We'll be happy to help you.